Welcome to my channel! Let's have some fun! Let's build a cute clay toy car! Hello kids! Welcome to Color Play Vehicles World! Today we will learn many cute vehicles. This is a cycle. Todaykle has 2 wheels. Ring ring! This is a scooter. Scooter goes zoom zoom. This is a car. Car drives on roads. Beep beep. This is a bus. Bus carries many people. Beep, beep. This is a tractor. Tractor works on farms. This is a truck. Truck carries heavy things. This is a train. Choo-choo train. This is a metro train. Metro train moves fast in cities. This is an aeroplane. Aeroplane flies in the sky. This is a helicopter. Helicopter flies up and down. This is a boat. Boat floats on water. This is a cargo ship. Ship carries containers across oceans. Great job, kids! Today we learned many colorful vehicles. See you again! Don't forget to subscribe!